Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. Today I'm very fortunate because I'm on two good friends, Demo and Kenya, both different sides of the world. Brooklyn, I believe it's in America, and Leicester in England. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
And I'm in Thailand, although I'm from Scotland, the United Kingdom. Today I've brought this together. People have come on because I've noticed some, I've did a couple of sessions earlier on today, and I did a couple of sessions and I spoke about the NAS 100 and I spoke about gold and US dollar. Now, with various things that's happened around the world, I won't go into deep detail. Just be careful of any long-term trades. Just be careful. I'm going to share my screen right now, ladies and gentlemen. So on the earlier session today, I highlighted gold and NAS 100, and I actually spoke about something called parallel channels, breakouts, and trades. I spoke about a trade idea from before yesterday, and went into with a parallel channel and using some of the Ninja sauce we have and other tools we have, and it pushed up into consolidation, and it's still in consolidation. However, can things be traded? Because it's quite a bit of time from there to there. It's quite a few pips, shall we say? Yeah, 172 pips. So I spoke about that there. I spoke about, on another session, I spoke about trading off wicks. I showed this, yeah, and no entry until you actually, and then that was really good. So I've kept that there. Demo, you're on that one.
Yes,
I kept that there. And I also spoke about a similar thing with gold here. But again, it's quite significant. What this is for is really for the New York Open, but I'll come back to this. Yeah. So just looking upon this, I'm going to go down to the 1 minute time frame. Now, Kenya, 1 minute time frame is new to a lot of people. Yes, they get a bit scared. Now, at the moment, I'm not using any special Ninja Matrix, Ninjacator special sauce that gives us an advantage in the market. But what do you see down here? What do you see here?
It's consolidation.
Consolidation, multiple bottoms. It's trying to break through that. It's not. So when I see this, guess what I do? I just think, okay, where do I think it starts? It could be there. So why don't I just draw a line from, or a box there? I don't have to make it dark as I did there. Yeah. Yeah, but you see a box. So basically I've tightened that consolidation box. Yeah. Notice what happens at certain things. Yeah, I've got a new, what I'm calling my Ninja. My Ninja tools down here, which I use for entry. Divergence. And this one here. Do you see an R? Sorry, do you see a green signal here, Kenya?
Yes.
Is this, you see a big black line there?
Yes, I see it.
If you get a green up and it's below the line, it's only a rumor on the 1 minute until it breaks through. Do you see how it breaks through there?
Mm-hmm.
The rumor is now a reality. As an option to get in there. Only as an option to get in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, leave it at that. Let's look at, so it hits bottom, it could go to the top. The green is above the red, it's pushing away. Tick, that tells me it's a buy. That tells me it's a buy, but it might not be ready yet. It's above here, that tells me a buy. If I put on my matrix, maybe it tells me a buy, maybe it's not. Not sure yet. Yeah. So what can we do? Any ideas? Let me just put on an EMA for a minute. let me just switch one on here. Do that there. Now I won't do it there, actually. I'll come back to that. But you see how it has a small pullback, what I call a fish hook or a crooked finger, just there. And that's that there. And that's that there. And that's that there. Before what I call the main buy, right there. So can you see that? We have a pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom. One minute time frame using pullbacks. One of the truth, I probably waited one more candle, so it's properly above the 200 EMA. And then the next thing all we'll have to do is worry about is stop loss. But do you have any questions on that?
No, I just would like to know how many pips is that?
I have zero interest in pips.
Zero interest in pips.
Yeah, I'm interested in percentage growth. But
Oh,
I'll show you pips in a minute. So it does go all the way up to one trade, nearly 5% growth. And that took about 30 minutes.
Hmm.
Now I'll show you pips since you requested it. $101 pips.
101 pips in 30 minutes.
Yeah, 1,000 points. Now, it came back and hit the line again. Yeah, we get divergence. Yeah, it's red. It's the wrong one. It never went down. Well, it was going down. We got hopper, came as a, well, let's call it hopper. It came through there. There. We're above this line, which is a 200 EMA. Let's just check. Are we above this black line here? Yeah. Is the green separating the red? Is there? Don't know if you can see that.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. Now I can see the future. We're either going to enter the trade there, or we're going to wait for a pullback. We're going to either enter the trade there, or wait for a pullback. Now I can see the future. Yeah. But let's just enter the trade there. Okay. As if we can't see the future. Where's that one there? Where would you like me to put my stop loss, Kenya?
Below that last.
That there or there or there. So A, B, or C. A, B, A. Just there. Are you okay with that? Yeah. So this is 1 minute time frame. It comes down. Believe it or not, we get another fish hook. We get a fish hook. It pulls back to there, and then it carries on, and it goes up, and it hits the top of this. You can't make this stuff up. It already, look at that. That wasn't there before. Demo, remember I was drawing this before? Hits the high. Yeah. So another 3.81% on the 1 minute time frame. Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 candles. 3.81%. Everything is aligned. So what do I have here? I have my demon. People don't know the demon is. I have our Ninja RSI. We've got a Ninja MACD, and we've got all the Ninja tools. But I'm not even using half the Ninja tools. How powerful is this?
That's nice.
Yeah. Now let's see we're there. And we would exit the trade at some point. Let's say we never made quite as much as that. Let's say we got out the trade as it was coming down there. That fair enough? Now, I'm actually surprised we don't have an H there. Because it rejects it off this, then it goes back up, actually. Just there. It rejects off this 200. Just there. Let me go to gold. Any questions before I move to gold?
No, mate, all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, no questions.
Now let me actually put on my Ninjacator with this for a minute. You know, I don't have my Bollinger Bands on. I thought I had my Bollinger Bands. Just looks a bit messy, so I won't bother with that one. Okay, it's just for you demo. So what we've got here, I have my matrix on. It's the red and the green. These are support and resistance lines. I'm going to drop down to the 1 minute time frame. It looks a bit busy now. Let's look at this. Let's get the here and the now. Kenya, we've been on.
Yes.
We've been on here maybe about 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
How long? I don't know about that. There, that's been happening with gold since then. It dropped. Yeah, we had something called a hidden divergence. There, it was a rumor. It's going to be doing this. This one, when it reached here on the RSI, we had a pullback. It says a bull, but we wouldn't do anything. We have with conflicting information. This says buy, this says sell. So we're not in any trade.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
We do absolutely nothing until that blue there hits that there. That's going down. That's going down. We're a matrix red. We'll start pushing down, and you see how this red is pulling away from the green. They're going apart.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Enter the trade on the 1 minute time frame. Let's count how many minutes this was ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything is completely aligned. We're under the 20 EMA and the 200. This is an A-trade setup just using candles and a Ninja MACD and RSI. Absolutely incredible tools. And the percent on that, 3.46%, 1 minute time frame. How much drawdown was there?
None.
Nada. Zero. Broker spread. That's what we're looking at in the Ninjas. Well, that's what I'm showing my people at the moment. And I would like you to come back and take advantage of these tools we've got right now. It's so precise.
Yes.
Do you have any questions on that? Look at that. Zero drawdown. Now, I've never done this with Bitcoin, but I know you're a Bitcoin person. Or do you want, let me see what coins we've got. I've only got a few here I show, like Dog, Coin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, TRX, XRP. Which one are you okay for me showing? I don't know.
Doge.
Repeat that, please.
Doge. You have the Doge one?
Dodge, yeah. Dodge EUSD.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But from my memory, I don't know. I don't like how it looks. That's the problem with it. See how that to me, I can't. Unless I'm doing something wrong. That's why I don't like it. It doesn't look.
Yeah.
Like,
Can you change it from candles to lines?
I can.
Is that better?
It does, but I don't know. I've got to be honest. I would feel uncomfortable trading that. But anyway, let's try something else. Let me try something that's got a bit more. Anyway, let's go for that for a minute. So all I'm going to go for, let's really quick. And this will be really quick. So I've got my good lady waiting. I'm just waiting for the last 4 hour. I'm looking for something round about now. So we can show it like now rather than the yesterday or last week. As you saw, I showed gold now. right? That there, that showed that, believe it or not, that showed a buy, but it continued. And at that point there, that's when it changed. That was on the 15-minute, 5-minute. Let's try and do the 3 or the 1 minute. Let's try. There's the 1 minute time frame. All I'm looking for down. This is what I'm looking for down here. Right. If anything, do you see a line here? Do you see a line here?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah. I don't care what these letters are. Yeah. I don't care what all I care about are the letters, green for letter. All I care about for letter, if these letters, well, makes no difference what they are above or below this line. If the L is above, if the letter is above the line, it's not ready for a sell on a 1 minute. If the green is below the line, it's not ready for a buy. So I need the green to be above the line or just crossing the line. I need the L, the letter, whatever letter it is, to be below this line. Does that make sense, Kenya?
Yes.
Because that's going down and that's going up. Okay, so now we know that, the rules. Let's look on the 1 minute, the last few. That tells me it's a buy. But this is coming down. I'm above the 200, I'm above the 20. It's going up. Okay, but I see this red coming down. I'm not really sure about this, Jeff. That tells me to sell, but I wouldn't take it. Why? Because it's above the line. Does that make sense? I'm only interested in sells if they're below this line. I get another one. So, Jeff, it's selling, but is it above the line or below the line? It's above the line.
Above the line.
Then it comes down. We get an H above the line. Makes a difference, but it's green. It's above the line like this one. But this time, the red is on the bottom. Do you see that? The red is on the bottom. The EMA is heading up. So when I see that, I get excited. I then check, is this above that line? Tick, tick. Matrix green. Is the green and red separating? Yes. Enter that trade. How much? Zero drawdown. To the pip. But the problem is, we need a bigger spread, as you know. That's the problem with Bitcoin and Ethereum, different things like this. You need a bigger physical stop loss. But you can see if this was a normal, you would see there, and only a few candles, or I go about 3.5%, 4%, 3.5%. Yeah. So, questions on that, Kenya? Questions on that?
No.
Demo.
That's all good, mate.
That 1 minute time frame, we're getting fine entries. The tools we got now are just super incredible. It's powerful. And Demos there specialize in NAS 100 on the 1 minute. That's the one he's focused on. That one in XAUUSD, is that correct, Demo?
It is, mate, yes.
Yeah. Just double checking, yeah.
Probably won't be touching it this afternoon, though. It's all a bit crazy.
Yeah, I was considering that maybe I better let the events around the world just
settle down a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Just get into the swing they're going to get into.
Yeah. So let me ask, what learnings have you had today, Kenya, since you've not been here for a while? What learnings have you had today? Aha moments.
Well, I like those the new tools that you have there.
Yeah.
Did you create those?
Did I create the? I put them together in one source, but did I created them together, but did I program them? I personally did not program them. I'm going to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
How can I get the tools?
Jump in the ninjas again and you get them all. Yeah. So let me carry on. So Did you get any aha moments? Wow, that was powerful.
Yes,
What
on the accuracy.
it's so when you just line everything up, it's the super crazily good. They're super crazy good. Now, Damo's seen a few of these. So can I ask you something different? What have you discovered about yourself today, or what I've shown you?
I discovered that I need to start. Wait a minute. I need to start trading live.
It's time for you to make serious cash, because with your background in crypto and the way you can move the charts, you're going to eat this alive.
Mm-hmm.
The only drawdown you're going to get is a broker spread, an occasional spike, but there's nothing you can do with that.
Mm-hmm.
So I showed it on crypto, I showed it on gold, I showed it on NAS 100. People say there's no way you can do this on the 1 minute with them. Well, guess what? I showed it on 3 today.
That's
And
excellent.
I've been jumping on live twice a day nearly for 2 weeks showing people this, and people are going crazy for it. Yeah. So something for all of you. Enjoy the weekend. Look forward to next week. I'd recommend you stay away from the charts the rest of your day, because I won't get into politics, but there's just
No, stay away. Yeah. Cheers for that, Jeff.
Yeah. Damo, thank you very much for coming on. That was the best session ever. Kenya, that was amazing. The best session ever. You will learn so much.
Thank you.
That's going to change your life. Oh, Chryso's just come on. Oh.
Yeah, probably not for too long.
Well, I was actually just closing the show, but how's babies?
Yeah, we just had a tantrum, so.
Yeah.
Oh, if you're closing, that's fine. I can. We can catch up another time.
Well, let's pick up next week, Chryso, because if the kids are all feeling better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have a lovely weekend. I honestly I've got to go and pick up my partner. Have a lovely
Have a
time.
nice evening with you, Jeff. I'll catch you at the weekend, mate.
Thanks for your positivity. Appreciate it, mate. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.